Hello and welcome to my channel. To lock a folder on Mac, press Command Space to launch a Spotlight. Type Disk Utility. Now click on the Disk Utility icon to open it. Click File on the menu bar, choose New Image, then select Blank Image. Type a name in the Save As field. Type the same name for the Name field. Choose a location. Make sure format is APFC, partition is single partition GUID partition map, and image format is sparse. Click on the encryption drop down menu and choose 256-bit encryption. Now type and verify your password. Then click choose. Now click on the file size. Choose a proper size. Click save. An encrypted password protected disk image is now created. Click done. Click on it to open. Now enter your password and click OK. A drive icon should now appear beside the disk image with the same name. Click on it to open. Then copy any folder or files that you want to be locked there, and then eject the drive. You can either click on the eject icon or left click on the drive and then select eject. Now to access your password protected folders or files anytime, you just need to click on the disk image icon, enter your password, and then click on the linked virtual drive. Please give this like if it was helpful and sub for more tips.